We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hello everyone, it's time for our Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Bom。
Hey, Joseph Ling. Alice, it is so hot these days because it's summertime, 对不对？现在夏天真的天天又闷又热。
捏了。
捏。
你很爱捏了。
哦，又捏你哦。
没，该
是吧？哦，捏了。捏，就是热的意思，炎热了啊。And you know, as a girl， 尤其是女孩子啊，不喜欢黑，还是觉得，对，胖的，白的，趴啊，那看也趴。其实不管你是不是要白啦，就是应该要做好这个防晒的这个措施才对，因为晒久了，紫外线对皮肤当然就不好。So therefore, let's teach people on certain words about on precautions on what you can do to protect yourself from the sun. OK， 有一些东西呢可以让你防晒啊，比如说戴帽子啦，撑阳伞。They like to wear a hat and also take an umbrella out. OK， 帽子跟阳伞。
摸
砸摸加砸又要摸要扎，好恐怖哦！你在做什么生意啊？摸砸
摸就是帽子。
OK， 摸是帽子。OK， 我可以理解帽子嘛 ，That's a hat or a cap。摸把砸跟伞然后一点。听起来就不像砸
对啊，要遮起来啊，砸
它是应用遮 to cover up，遮砸Okay, that's an umbrella. Okay, some people like to put on sunglasses or shades， 太阳眼镜。
一条目镜。
这等你条目镜。
你知道吗？因为我们太阳眼镜，眼镜我们说目镜，那太阳的话是日头。
日头啦日条目镜 ，that's shades or sunglasses. And then finally, of course, you want to put on some suntan lotion.
防晒油
这个就简单了，防晒油。And finally, I hope you don't get a burn, don't get a sunburn. But if you did get a sunburn, 晒伤了怎么说？晒怂，做北宋了呢，晒怂，晒怂很痛啊，
懂痛啊，
一袋啊。So there you go. Next time you go out, take your protection, whether it's putting on a hat, taking an umbrella, or putting on, of course, some sunscreen lotion, and keep yourself dry and cool during the summertime. That does it for our Hakka lesson of the day.
什么大家？
安子 say 张伟聊。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.